Good medical morning, this is Watson, and today we're going to talk about back cysts. In fact, we're going to try to save back cysts. Have you noticed that YouTube popping videos are more commonly pimple popping videos and there are fewer big back cysts in your feed? That's because YouTube deletes any amateur pops they find. They also suppress any large pops and age restrict anything they think is consumer non-friendly. And if they're afraid to put a commercial in front of the video, they really don't want it on YouTube in the first place. If you go through your feed, you may find some simple pimple popping videos, but frankly you're unlikely to find any massive cyst pops anymore. YouTube doesn't seem to want you seeing content like that. So I ask you to leave the experts at YouTube a message in the comment section below. Tell them why you feel that consumers of media should be able to see popping videos in their feed. Why do you feel it's important to protect the rights of consumers and creators, especially those adults who are watching for their own entertainment and education? Take a look at a few more cyst images and pictures, then leave that comment below for the world to hear your voice. I greatly appreciate your support as we continue to fight for your right to pop.